Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Pumunta po ako dito sa Davao just to overlook po yung reports po natin ng alleged trafficking in person. And mga rescue po, mga KOJC members po natin to. On August 25, 2024 at around 11:30 a.m., the parents of the victim personally appeared to Police Station 4, Sasa Police Station, and requested police assistance to rescue his 20-year-old son, who is currently located inside the KOJC compound. The parents, ito po, yung both parents po natin, nandito po sila, reported that they have had no direct communication with their son since 2021, 17 years old when he left with a KOJC member. The family had sought assistance from various agencies in Cebu regarding their son's situation, but their efforts were unsuccessful until they informed KOJC members who recruited them that they have intended to involve the police. It was then that they discovered that their son had been taken to KOJC Davao since June 2024. So tigasama po sila, yung anak po nila na-recruit para mag-aral po doon sa Cebu, sabi ng KOJC member, hindi po nila alam na dito na dinala sa Davao. The father stated that his son was promised to have a scholarship in Cebu. However, in 2023, he asked to return home. However, he has allegedly not been permitted to leave by KOJC officials. Sasa PS Police Station, Regional Women's and Children Protection Division, and DSWD successfully facilitated the rescue of the said victim together with his parents. Ito po yung parents. DSWD is currently conducting counseling. Recruited since he was 17 years old and he left home because of his desire to have a scholarship. Yun lang po yung gusto ng bata, scholarship. So, pinangakuan po ng scholarship pero sila na po magkukwento tungkol sa bata kasi nakausap na yung bata. The latter was also promised of 3 months old stay with KOJC and to return their home after. However, he was restricted by KOJC members. Said 20-year-old son was rescued through PRO 11 personnel and of course yung women's and children's office natin and DSWD. Sa kabila naman po, ito na po yung anak. Likewise, on the same morning of August 25, 2024, a daughter from Bisayap, North Cotabato, requested police assistance to rescue her 50-year-old mother inside the KOJC compound. Allegedly, her mother was recruited and brainwashed by members of KOJC that she never returned home to her children in Mid-Sayap after being confined inside the KOJC compound. They were told that her mother has been suffering from pain for her feet and has difficulty in walking, which prompted her daughter to seek for assistance and rescue her mother. Debriefing rin po sa DSWD po natin. So, if you want to have any questions, ito po yung parehong the parents and yung anak po ng mga victims po natin. So, ito po yung, kaya po ako nandito sa Davao to overlook po yung alleged trafficking in person.